Okay, today we're going to work with this type of function. We're going to try to find the derivative using the definition of a limit for these problems. 2x to the second power minus 4x. The definition of a limit is f parentheses x plus h close parentheses minus fx divided by h. Something important we should always remember is that h equals 0. Okay, for the second part of our problem, first we gotta substitute and put the numbers where I go. Remember, we had 2x to the second power minus 4x, and we gotta put it in our definition. The thing is, we have also an x here, so our problem is gonna be a little bit more complicated. You see now. First, you put the x plus h in the parentheses where the 2, and the x where close to the 2. That's here. You put that as 2 parentheses x plus h, and since the x was the second power, we have to put the x plus h to the second power. Minus 4, and since we had an x, remember we have to put x plus h, 4 parentheses x plus h, and here we have to put the whole problem yet again as before for subtraction. 2x to the second power minus 4x x divided by h. So first we gotta factor a bit. So we first factor the parentheses to the second power. X plus h, x plus times a, x plus h. We will factor them. X to the second power plus hx plus hx plus h to the second power will give you a problem similar to this. And if you do not know where this 2 has come from, remember we have to, the one up here, we can't forget about that. We do the same for this problem. We gotta distribute the 4 to the x plus h. 4 times ix plus 4 times h. 4x plus 4h. And we also have to put the negatives, the minus sign. Remember we have it minus here. And for this one, we really don't have to distribute anything at the moment, so we just leave this as it is. Divided by h. Remember, this h still has not gone away. Third part of our problem, we gotta distribute and solve. So let's see. Remember we had our 2 in front of our parentheses back there? Now you gotta distribute it. 2 times x to the second power plus 2hx plus h to the second power will give you an answer similar to this one. 2x to the second power plus 4hx plus 2h to the second power. We had to distribute a negative. Remember? Back here we had a negative. We'll distribute it again. We distribute the negative to 4x and plus 4h. Give you something like this. And remember, also we had another negative, the negative 2x second power minus 4x. So we have to distribute it here too. We use something like this. I take all 3 problems and put it in this little problem or equation, however you want to call it. So I got 2x to the second power plus 4hx plus 2h minus 4x minus 4h minus 2x to the second power plus 4x divided by h. Okay, this time I wanted to take out the numbers meanwhile I'm taping, just so you will know how they disappeared and how I get the final equation. So let's see. Here we got 2x to the second power. We're gonna try to find there's another 2x to the second power. Yep, here it is. 2x to the second power, and they're negative. So this is positive, this is negative, so this cancels out with this one. Find the other one. Plus 4hx. 4hx, no, we got nothing for hx. 2h, let's see, we got something for 2h, 2h, 2h. 2h. Oh, wait, typo, my bad. This is 2h to the second power. My mistake. So 2h to the second power, 2h to the second power, 2h to the second power. No, not really. Let me put that a bit more clear so you will know this is a 2. Okay, so let's see what else. 4x minus 4x minus 4x. Oh, here's a plus 4x, so let's cancel this out with this one. And minus 4h, no, we got nothing. So now we've got 4hx plus 2h to the second power minus 4h. So we go back here in this problem. let's see, we got 4hx plus 2h to the second power minus 4h divided by h. So let's see, we can, here we have a common denominator. The common denominator is h. So you can just take that data out of the parentheses. And we get something like this. H parentheses 4x plus 2h minus 4 divided by 8. Here we have it like a bit more clearer. Now we gotta keep like solving, keep eliminating numbers. So here we have an h, here we have an h. So let's like just cancel that out here and here. Okay, so now we got this number, 4x plus 2h minus 4. So now we're going to our last part of this problem. So we got 4x plus 2h minus 4. Something important that I said in the beginning was h equals 0. So you can just put that little 0 right there and just take that out. And we'll have 4x minus 4. We can still simplify this, so we just take out the 4 and we have 4 parentheses x plus 1. And there we got the answer. So that's how you find the definition of a limit.